Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. I will admit I was a little hesitant to order ink that wasn't the same brand as my printer. Are the cartridges going to be compatible? Will the ink be the same quality? Well, I am here to tell you that you can be sure that these ink cartridges from Coloretto are top-notch. They were easy to install. All you have to do is remove the old cartridges and snap in these new ones. They are an exact replica of the brand name cartridges, and I like that they were packaged so well. They came with these green plastic protectors to keep them from getting damaged. And as you can see, my printer has accepted them and my ink levels are full. The quality of the printing is just as good as the brand name ink, if not better. I printed off some letter paper and they printed beautifully. Look at those vibrant colors. As a nice touch, the instructions came with 2 of these adorable chameleon-shaped paper clips. I love it when companies surprise you with those little extras. To me, it makes a huge difference. I am so happy with these ink cartridges from Coloretto, especially my wallet's a little bit fuller now too, and that's my point of view.